Glór Tíre, áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Diolch agus mar géirfáilte isteach go dtí bouta leatheanais go chomórtas Glór Tíre. Tá muid teatha go bebaich as teach na céimhe in seo a grí lár chair na gaiileh agus tá 100,000 fáilte rúbsteach. A nacht casa an cúigear atá fanta, tá beirteach go sin sláán buchas go na bhótaí a chaisibse, tá trúr mail agus maras an dúil is faoin na máiltóirí bheith se duine bháin a go baránú le a chuir ra go dtíon críomh an teachtain se hagann. Agus siad thosa staide in dhéon le páracan is agus caiise gúil siad nervhíseach a fáric.
Manún go bheith tá ráífa tá siad nervhíseach ach nachhfuil siad a breanú go hálainn. Tá crowd móriste nachtach tá an crowd se leidithe tá cethir a go bailí bháil, cethir cardide agus mar deir tú tá beirt eile go bháil nacht agus duine bháin le sábhail ag na máiltóirí ach sin an gúil scetimíní arab seo go bheith gúideach siad Steer mar ríiste, scetimíní arab seo. Smála bu fágam sin scetimíní sílam. Tá dús le grochta go ber chuibe agus seo an dúis bheith ag an buitir.
Jafa buitir Glór Tíre €5,000 in airige tirim mar rúis. Le cabhrúló an bothar a bhla go dtí na réalta. Agus béis seo ar fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Líla cháil ar scetimíní bethe bharab marall bei banatí Glór Tíre á John Lacan. Agus a takeúló freisin na máiltóirí. War géad fáilte isteach, Joe ní chéide, John Creedon agus Catriona ní thuúla bháin. Bei muid a caint leis na máiltóirí ar ballbeg ach ar dúspáide, jou muid amach cé hé nó céhí atá hééis an chéad áit sa áil sa máta canis go chríomh ó Glór Tíre. Agus dálann scéal níl se a náir líon na bhótaí caite, tá na línta dúnta lethir nuaire agus bei sead a goscails ar ballbeg. Ach ar dúspáide, Danny le a hell. An chéad am a thóir, atá bailí go fada le críomh ó Glór Tíre, ná Dermot Lyons!
Come on, Dermot! Fair play, well done!
Thank you, Patrick. Thank you very much.
You have a big crowd in again tonight.
Yeah, there's no one left in Limerick or Cork or Tipperary or surrounding areas.
Yeah, none of the hurlers with you tonight, no.
No, and we're meeting Galway on Sunday.
That's right,
That's it, absolutely. That should be fun.
My loyalties are torn here at the moment. I'm not sure whether I should support you or not.
We'll chat about it later.
All right, well done. Conhortas lad, síos lad agus castóra, má bochail. Tá bochail seo ag gimmert ománaíoch sínsir, ní leon doubt faoi. Seo, mar a dair le Dermot go dtí seo.
She makes me act and dress my best, keeps me filled with happiness. I don't know, I'm just lucky, I guess. Hold up your hand, standing by to catch you when you fall, seeing you through. Any town in Ireland would be home, just a cottage by the river, all alone. So come down the mountain, Katy Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katy Doo. Can't you hear us calling, Katy Daly? On the stone in the churchyard here in town, says here lies poor old Johnny Brown. His music echoes silent now as he plays the Sally Gardens. 1, 2, 3, woo!
Sin mar a daire le Dermot le coppla seachtainús agus dálann scéal bein na thomthirí ar fad a casa ó an bháin an éilge agus ó an bháin méarlach í banacht agus cénach me se aráiseáilinn in áíide go dtín teachtain se hagann a se gal tasaí amach le slán bháile.
Slán go bháile, slán go fó, Briste gan to a store. Nog a gas feder I shurin, nis be explained. An geole tight shot, all a pre-shama. On Gorini shagas, on goel of gar, yes a goth go. A will thrown order, Mile Leisto, Ocaria go, and a jogging on law, a victory shout. Slán a one year, slán go fall, beg my Brisha Briste gone to a store. Nog a gas feder I shurin, this be explained. An geole tight shop, all the free shama. Slán a walia, slán go fall, beg my Carisha Briste gone to a store. Nog a gas feder I shurin, this be explained. An geole tight shop, all the free shama. Slán a walia, slán a
Ail chuir se an tús leis a go bhharchain agus leanana se inis agus órán eile Dermot chuin never too far from my mind. Could í fáilte eile ribh Dermot Lyons.
Well, hello, my old friend. How's the world treating you? You look much the same, and you say I do too. My memories of you are all warm and kind. You were never too far from my mind. Absence makes the heart fonder, or so we are told. But there's something quite special about friendship that's old. In words that are spoken, there are ties that bind. You were never too far from my mind. You were never too far from my thoughts. All the time I traveled this wide world while you stayed behind. And though the miles in between us were many and wide, you were never too far from my mind. But time changes most things, and some people too. But nothing can change how I feel about you. So hello, my old friend. Though it's been a long time, you were never too far from my mind. You are never too far from my thoughts. All the time I traveled this wide world while you stayed behind. And though the miles in between us were many and wide, you were never too far from my mind. So hello, my old friend. Though it's been a long time, you were never too far from my mind.
Aniar Dermot, mahu. A bhfuil chuirí tu amach a fada le tain Joe ar dús spáir a bhfuil tú go Dermot beidir órán a bhí beag ní séimhe aránú. Gapan tú go teach amach céan acu.
Tá ifa agus began ní níos fearr cheappail mar tá glórháid ní siléire nuair atá sé a canna ó an de smáil mar sin agus tásan ar fad goil Dermot began íon crackalta ar bhealach iontocht Dermot tá tú crackalta faoin geol faoin na hóráin agus rud amháin atá álainn fú tá tú gúnaí cuioinú ar a té atá géisteach leis agus a ggéar a manga gáirí a chuir orb agus tá tú cardúil agus nílas am cevéadach tú leat an seo nacht sílam go chulaganna i táú leat ach haine sé sin níos fearr lumsan an na ceanna tá níos smairí na sin anjab agus tús ionfach leis glárna.
Gur míle maithe Jo. John dúirt tú riamh go meach se an ag an zéad.
Dúirt mé ar tús na sreathe go méid seán ag an deirlína an raibh an ceartagum nó an raibh an ceartagum. Maras go nó léirú an a láidir chur a láthair Garamúl, Ga Órán, Seanstíl, gan Séhar, gan Stró. Darlums a rénos, big Dermot Ganoch a seo hamach, sa card. Agus, in an own and Stalk, despite the strike, it seems the Charleville bus made it as well tonight. So,
Gur maithe John. Agus Katrina, cad a ceapú hain go Dermot?
Well, dús bhálam cógáir agus ará leis. Is éocht mór é bheith an seir an stáit an céad duine leis an anam gléite amach. Ach, is féidir leat a gcónaí brar Dermot le haid taispáint is scarmúl, bra, sucker, agus hanan codasnacht idir an dá ar an gomórlam idir an ceann leis an luas agus an Eve de Friúil, the slán bhaile agus an sin an Eveáil in iontook leis an Maleid. So codasnacht, a lovely contrast there, Dermot, between the two songs. Mahu.
Gur maithagaí bhfuil chuí. Agus gur míle mágad, Dermot Lyons a cháirte. Mahu Dermot. Leanna mu ar aimar sin go bheith muid céhéanú céhí an dára duine a tá bailí go fáda leis gríomh buchas go na bhótaí a cha sibse. Danny le a hell. Agus an dára duine a tá teacaí sláán ná Lauren McCrory.
You look a little bit shocked.
I am really shocked. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Why are you so shocked about it?
I'm just... and breathe. I'm delighted.
Okay, you're going to go down or
Yeah.
you're going to sing
Yeah.
two songs. So first of all, you need to tell me, right? When we visited you in Tyrone,
Yes.
right, you had the camper van outside. And
Yeah.
your dad said that he was going to bring the camper van down. He was going to basically pitch up tent here in Galway. Has he been doing that?
Yeah. We have been in a camper van this past 3 weeks, and you know what? It's been great.
Yeah.
It's a bed to lie in, and that's all I care about.
The Glortira camper van.
That's it. We'll christen it that.
Well done. Congratulations, you're through to
you
the
so
final. Well
much.
done, Lauren. Fair play. Colleen Allen, agus tá sí a mótar á léis da go dtíim críomh seo mar a dtaid le Lauren go dtí seo.
Goes around the blooming heather. Will you go? I see go.
The cat's curled up next to me. Oh, I got everything I ever needed in you.
Walk that road all the way to heaven. Gotta walk that road until it's dawn. But I met someone before you, and my heart just couldn't wait. Thanks to you, I'm doing what I do, and I love you for you are so true. You're the air that I breathe. You're all I'll ever need. Thanks to you, well, I'm doing what I do.
Well, buchas go na bhótaí, tá sí bailí go fáda leis a gríomh. Tasa sí maach le éon na nórán, chuir í míle fáilte a bheith, Lauren McCrory.
A story beyond me could you. A story beyond creating soul shoe. It's no time in our tashik yard. Mariska is touching your work, your Lord, where I'm Morris cold. Tell me where kian go me me la go jana no is ton check your work your where Marvis call something glad his play make a joy.
Híhan fad Lauren. But even that tú ná an gach ólas áil faoin na humaitheoirí fad ach bualaisteachán ag lean nach Facebook chlórtír an uga divan ag TG Caharstad í agus eag tú má chulah las faoin srágadí seo in seo agus ceann all an Ellen sin casta ag Lauren chuin ach níl part seinte fós. Is gaur eile go mynd na brógaí táirní testal Redneck Woman by Lauren McCrory.
Well, I ain't never been the Barbie doll type. No, I can't swig that sweet champagne. I'd rather drink beer all night in a tavern or in a honky tonk or on a four-wheel drive tailgate. Well, I got posters on my wall of Skinner, Kid and Straight. Some people look down on me and I don't give a rip. I stand barefooted in my own front yard with a baby on my hip. 'Cause I'm a redneck woman, ain't no high class bride. I'm just a product of the rain sun, and I sing hey oh lady high. I keep my Christmas lights on my front porch all year long, and I know every word to every Charlie Daniels song. So here's to all my sisters out there keeping it country. Oh, let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girls like me. Victoria's Secret, well, their stuff's real nice. Oh, but I can buy the same damn thing on a Walmart shelf at price and still look sexy, just as sexy as those models on TV. Well, I don't need no designer tag to make my man want me. You might think I'm trashy, a little too hardcore. Well, in my neck of the woods, I'm just the girl next door. 'Cause I'm a redneck woman, ain't no high class bride. I'm just a product of the rain sun, and I sing hey oh lady high. I keep my Christmas lights on my front porch all year long, and I know every word to every Daniel Tucker song. So here's to all my sisters out there keeping it country. Oh, let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girls like me. Well, I'm a redneck woman, ain't no high class bride. I'm just a product of the rain sun, and I sing hey oh lady high. I keep my Christmas lights on my front porch all year long, and I know every word to every almost seamless song. So here's to all my sisters out there keeping it country. Oh, let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girls like me. When I said hell yeah.
Fair play agus Lauren. Cadera John.
Cad Mariol on Tashbanta sin, you know, Dardig on Leirú sin Machrí agus Manam. Anna Lloyd fad agus Lán de Mohu Níháin sa glór ach ar an aig agus instant súla freisin. Ach Sadera is comórtas glór é seo agus éist leis an binis sin. You know, this ultimately is a singing competition, and your voice is absolutely stunning. You're full tilt all the way to the final. Good luck to you.
Mahu John. Katrina, one to self question.
Rinne she on job go Joe if han redneck woman go more lum lawn to feistiness agus attitude rinne she on job leis fad agus an codas noctarisha de sin agus an ballad she sin an céadú coola mé songbird riva squail and han she go morlam fum na nutty scacrod vi she go heaving fad. Great contrast and well able to handle both the slow ballad and that feisty redneck woman one. Well able, Aaron. Fair play to Anna.
Joe, what we can look at that salsa. She can't get this.
Well, tá sí cholar redneck tá sí brenn go hall in nacht agus rinne tóran sin an bart sin signature song a bhí Gretchen Wilson tá súlam gonne sin bart gote in nacht agus a chédó an a bhí le clustelin sin wat woodháin chola me sin ar strí go gailge bhaid chalínas go dóid iminí irisce chalínálainn agus Rís leagan all in witche, bín se le clustel go leor ísean banse mar hálínse agus más bún mochaine tá sé mo chean hain agus is brálume agus tá súlam go neidú go hénta leat nacht.
Gur maithagaí Waltarí agus Lauren McCrory a ghuiáis le. Well, buochas go na bhótaí a chaisibse tá Dermot agus Lauren golgadín críomh tá trúr eile fós a fancht ar scéal go bheic siad cén duine acu a jaus an áit dearnach sin a gríomh chomórtas glór tíre. Ach ní hiad san bháin a tá feire ar rúis. Chulúir a chaisibse sa máile bhóta. Bín deis agus a freisin dúis a grúchtal caigí súlar sin agus tearí reis mar tá neart fós le heachta seo ar glór tíre.
Má chahan tú bhócha fe seansat an dúise a bhuachant. Tá ihe in Nóstan Louis Fitzgerald agus dínear ihe bháinach sin I Joel's Restaurant chomá le rá hiccead go dtí clufa ceannis imáníochta nó pelle na héidir. Bé tú a musca corporáideach an sin agus bé sé seo ar fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant. Glór tíre. Áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant. Tíre, áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Gomannaí diaghib agus bhfuair géad fáilte arás go dtí babhta leathcheannis glór tíre. Well, rivan na bhógraí daire le Dermot Lyons agus le Lauren McCrory a meallchaí nach fada le críomh glór tíre an teachtain se thugain. Ach tá trúr fós fácaí a sé ar fad goil casach an inis agus an sin is faoin na moltarí bheith se duine bháin acu ránú le gáil riad go dtíon críomh an teachtain se thugain. Agus sin chéad duine bheith suirt ar a stáitse nach ná a lena methar agus seo mar a daire le coppla seachtain in nuas.
Looking better than me. When I make them dinner and I'm burning black, you better say I like it like that. It's so real. I'll stand by you through my rocking years. Through the ages I remember. And I wonder if I'm disappointed.
Tí bailcha gur an bór bhile bhil fós, Casa sí a bhile go tíor chola gan inis chuig í míle fáilte rih a lena methar.
London, TV, Kivni and Volia, Evamoki. Mohanas Mohaja in a glom go blue Tam Savoya Grogya Lego Becky Mayu Shochi Mohoya Some greener argue Swiss Jeremy's fortune Dum grüner Viren Soon again go my service She me I could go you Chanty ma boya Mo can't do It's come a conjay me Like she let him go down She me Some down fake I'm she to corner and start your monkey Find your voice baby I'm she to corner and start your monkey Find your voice baby
A bhhail go tír chana le chasan sin ag go leanana methar dálann scéal tána línta dúnta bei sé a goscailte ríist ag deire an chláir tír mu na sonraí ar fadríban sin agus bei sé bhan tá sí a bhótáil le haid buatóir chríomh a glóirtíre. Ach sála bheith mu céhiú go ra tá órán eile ag a leanaáin agus chéad cheanna le chasa sí chuin na Sing Me an Old-Fashioned Song gur í chéad míle fáilte ribh a leanana methar.
Sing me an old-fashioned song Bring me back in my mind to a time when my memories all come through A good time and song It kind of makes you want to sing along A good old-fashioned hand clapping knee slapping foot tapping song Shoe fly don't bother me Shoe fly don't bother me Shoe fly don't bother me I don't want your company Flies in a billowman 2x2 Flies in a billowman shoe fly shoe Flies in a billowman skip to my loo my darling Sing me an old-fashioned song Bring me back in my mind to a time when my memories all come from A good time and song It kind of makes you want to sing along A good old-fashioned hand clapping knee slapping foot tapping song When I was young we used to wait upon that master and turn his plate Wash the bowl when his was dry Wash away the guilt to fly Sing me an old-fashioned song Bring me back in my mind to a time when my memories all come from A good time and song It kind of makes you want to sing along A good old-fashioned hand clapping knee slapping foot tapping song Oh, a good old-fashioned hand clapping knee slapping foot tapping song
Well, mas foot tapping i bhíhaid, bhí sé ar fád a dancing seo an nachcha a leanana. A leanana mu ráis tá chéad amthóir eile gáil casa chuin go dtíobhann lemuidir na motorín ar an thomthirí ar fád is casa. Cahamid stúd siar a dasachchanis ar mar deire le Pandywalsh le copla seachtain dos an seo ar glóir tíre.
That same old love All forgiven Sent from my baby You're as sweet
Well, tasol se machanoch le Waltz of Tennessee chuig í míle fáilte a bheith Pandy Walsh.
Le mot story leis an Waltz of Tennessee nuair a tháinig mé seanchara gur mé an aithne dá mo chrágáil nuair a bhí sé ag damhsa rít mo chara mo bhfuilí He's killing on me and it's in Waltz of Tennessee. Agus tigger a made a Kyle May. For Kyle May, no story, and he a be shade Shenium in Waltz of Tennessee. He's killing of me and yes, in Waltz of Tennessee. Agus tigger a made a Kyle May. For Kyle May, no story, and he a bhí sé ag Shenium and Waltz of Tennessee. And Waltz of Tennessee.
Waltz of Tennessee a chasa in sin ag Pandy roin an ghilge agus a déanana an job cho agus má si bhgéir na hifrachaí le haimhótaí cha bei se aine roiib i ríist sal mé an chlár hart agus go dtíhann is féidir gach ólas freisin áil leanach Facebook chlór tíre nó go dtíhann sih idirlín TG Cahar Stadaí agus sibh ná an bolaisteach sin is gach ólas áil fi na homathóirí go dtí seo. Achanis tá cheappa go se réile a hort státe agus ceann órán chum se héin agus a scríb se héin a chasachain chuir gí míle fáilte rih Pandy a ríist agus sa casa Bright Star.
Well, I got sad news today, and I cried. Try to figure out just why. Heaven knows I tried. He was just a child of innocence, taken from us, it made no sense. And they say the time will heal the pain, but things will never be the same. I will never understand. They say it's all in God's own hands, and I know He's up where angels fly, a bright star in the sky. He always made us smile when He danced. We won't forget His smile, not a chance. Now there's only memories for us. We'll carry on, we know but things will never be the same. I'll never understand. They say it's all in God's own hands, and I know He's up where angels fly, a bright star in the sky, a bright star in the sky.
Well, Andas go deo, Fandy. Tá Claire Dillon fós le casa chuin hééis na bhógraí agus an sin jahu mu amach céhé nó céhí thugus go fáda le críomh ó glór tíre agus go dtíhann cama adhil ghfuil tochtarm hééis a méid sin. Hasú lang go bain solt as a glár agus go dtíhann go mééis se bh cá bhótaí go tréin mar choúir a chahan se bhótaí, bhín deis agus se Somália freis an dúis ionintach ó grúchtáil. Caigí súla ar seo agus tearí ráis hééis coppla fógra gaiides.
Má chahan tú bhóta a seansad an dúise a bhuachant. Tá ihe in Nóstan Louis Fitzgerald agus dínear ihe bháinacham sin I Joel's Restaurant, chomá le rá hicéad go dtí clufa ceannis imáníochta nó pelle na héidim. Bé tú a musca corpráideach an sin agus bé sé seo ar fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant. Glór tíre, áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel, Glór tíre. Áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Go meanaí déaghaíb agus bhór géad fáilte ais go dtí bouta leatheanais ó glór tíre. Well, rihann na bhógraí deir le bertsáilcha fáda leis a gríomh agus is tá duine bháin eile fós le casachain agus an sin is faoin na moltarí bheith se duine as an trú leis an líon is slú bhótaí ranú le gáilcha fáda leis a gríomh. A chu dúspáir a cahamúd súl siar ag mar a deir le Claire Dillon le coppla seachtar an nuas.
Bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one to send a letter to. We're going to Jackson, you big talking bed. I'll be waiting in Jackson. Some days you gotta dance, live it up when you get the chance. 'Cause when the world doesn't make no sense and you're feeling a little too tense. Oh no, how does little dish I know? I know that you can tell it, but you're making me so jealous. From my head to my toes. Well, a lot of things have changed since way back then, and it's so good to be back home again. Not much left but the floors.
Dúr mar a dair le le coppla seachtar an nuas. Tású sí mac le is dearú gan Rose, Claire Dillon.
Creek the crowd, yeah. Round Egan Rose is Brunswick Memories. Is big me the key shadow Joe. Is clear shaking Larna of room which lay a killer and Galax and realty egin to last on Galic a Greek is Gal she go
Is gan Rose a chasa in sin ag Claire Dillon chuin agus camerálíh níl menléad beg ná mór leis na moltóí nocht ca siad ranú idir Claire, Pandyháilte chas chuin rih na bógraí agus rih sin i landa me tá chola chun acu, omlan defriúil stíl lehaú, talan lehaú, cumas lehaú, agus gan dat bín se gaiirí Harbheith deachar agus mu sa máta ceú canis agus máta lecanis duine bugan na thomthirí háileach far géir caafraína. As al dúm go fáda lei sin, cean amháin eile ó Claire Dillon chuir í míle fáilte rúmpa agus í casa The Earring Song.
Well, I finally found a sitter who sang late on Friday night, so I could do some dancing underneath the neon lights. Get out of the kitchen to a little kitchen in my own bed. I couldn't help but notice, girl, that you keep slinking by, stealing his attention with a twinkle in your eye. You're caught in an involuntary clenching up on my head. So honey, move along and find a place to park yourself while you still can. Don't make me take my earrings out. I'll show you what a cat fight's all about. I'll show you down in my room, men like mine's worth fighting for. Don't make me take my earrings out. I'll bet I spend an hour at the bedroom vanity, trying to turn a mom into a boring beauty queen. I don't wanna mess this up, but trust me, honey, I ain't scared of breaking it. I'll be glad to spend a night in jail. Oh, hey, I'll make me take my earrings out. I'll show you what a cat fight's all about. Well, I'll drag your butt right out the door. Man like mine's worth fighting for. Don't make me take my earrings out. Don't make me take my earrings out. I'll show you what a cat fight's all about. I'll throw you down in my floor. A man like mine's worth fighting for. Don't make me take my earrings out. If you come once and buy once more, throw you down in my floor. I'll drag your butt right out the door. A man like mine's worth fighting for. Don't make me take my earrings out.
Well, chola gur a baint a merid soltas sin a nocht. Agus daln scéal, well a teine ver stáitio glór tíru werkins. Well, beidir go gearga mas sra eile ein. Agus bein na sonraí fad ag park agus me héin chuib bal beg. Í se moet chuid godíra a chasú in mar sin beach peans pá per ré, má tá fúnart ai a hortir a stáitio seo. Cá vis chuid beidir go bech am intachad go mana ansása go deoas. Is gear go bhí mu máchanis, cén duine gon trúr a thugus a ra go dtí an bouta cruomh ach dúsbáir a cahamúd súl an dúise tá siad fad a feire
Jafa buiter glóirtí de €5,000 in aige tim Margúis, le Caurúlo an bohar walla go dtí na réalta. Agus bei se seo fad áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.
Sin agad díra ché a bhiltarí Ca se gur se Harbheith deachraí a trína bu níhála a bheith a chud brogus an nach ná go dtíh an róga John am róga Joe.
Bhí sé Harbheith deachar ife a mí ag an buinte seo den commórtas tá cis má le gatainine den trúr go a bheith ina seasta bhar an státe sin agus bhí sé Harbheith dachar ach deire tá cinna déanta gin agus táidir cohaganna margheall I suppose fiúntas an mthóra seo.
Ítach gur maitha go i bhiltarí. Danny le a hell. Katrina, céh bheith a gáil bríd go dtí príomh Lortíre.
Saon duine ná, Pandy Walsh.
Wel, dúirt Katrina, tá sé thar bheith deochar agus stáid se sláán ráile duna bit a caithe muid buchas agus bula bos mór ó thuirt go Claire agus go Alana. Bhí si págáir a chalíní. Pandy, ó tú na costal a tríis bail á íart. Ba dúrá sé teachtain se hagann, agus siodad na hifrachaí ar fáda tá testar webh bigí 15 gúisih cad an té a tá gí go bhfuile sola gatha tú do bhóta, agus tá na hifrachaí na sonraí go léir a teachthagaí tebrite leis tíirech.
Slán ó bhaile, slán go fóil, beg mo caríise briste gan to a store. And all the miles in between us were many and wide, you were never too far from my mind.
A story, vir an ditch me a story. So here's to all my sisters out there keeping it country. Oh, let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girl.
Yes, you bounce out Tennessee, August Tigger, a Magi Coyote. And I know he's up where angels fly, a bright star in the sky.
Well, cé hiretecha tá críomh builtelinn sa deire a fáric, agus tá muid súl go mór leis teachtain se hagann ach céirt faoin chéad sráile.
Cá muid a tosaí cuiinehar i chéad sráile, agus má a daine sa máile a iad de ggéire a bheith páirteach sa chéad sráile, ní le bach fi an beag dhéanú Rópéine agus a chasúas in na sunraí YouTube sin tá techa níos ar an scála.
Se go dihann ben críomhhaine teachtain se hagann agus muid súl go mór seach bé í an specialtalinn freisin bei Marty Mónlin and he'll hit the diff a fáric.
A chuí sifta clutch ífa mai derá.
Baile feáil teachtain se hagann a go dtí sin sláán man ar fáda se ar Lortíre.
Glór Tíre, áirithe ag the Louis Fitzgerald Hotel agus Joel's Restaurant.